So, welcome to the making of an architectural thesis, where I'll take you through all the behind the scenes and all the insights of my architectural thesis journey. And this is the most crucial project for any architecture student in their academic life. So, if you're an architecture student or just a design enthusiast who wants to know what goes behind the design and wants to know the process, fasten your seatbelts and let's begin this journey. So, in this series, I'll share my challenges, my milestones, and might as well share some tips that might be helpful to take you through your journey. And for today, in this episode, we're going to talk about the most important thing for your architectural thesis, that is choosing the right topic. Selecting a thesis topic can feel overwhelming because it defines your entire year. But here is the secret. You can follow these 3 simple steps to choose the right thesis topic. Step 1. Identify your passion. Ask yourself, what excites you? Maybe it is landscape design, maybe urban expansion, or you may be interested in historical conservation. For me, it is how architecture integrates environment and the built up. Step 2. Align with real world relevance. Think about how your thesis topics address the current challenges or problems. Think about it. Is your thesis topic solving any current issues, maybe related to environment, urban expansion, or sustainability? For example, in my vineyard project, I integrated circular economy to address the environmental hazards that industries creates. So, whenever a circular economy is implied in a industry, the waste material is reused within the same industry. Your work should be connected to a broader issue. The more relevant it is, the more impactful and meaningful your design is. Step 3. Evaluate the learning opportunity. Your thesis is not just about what you already know, but it is an opportunity for you to learn and explore new things. Ask yourself what knowledge or skills you want to develop with this project. For example, I wanted to explore sustainable practices and circular economy concept. As well, I wanted to explore to better integrate landscape with architecture. So I chose the perfect topic for me, a vineyard. Choose a topic that moves you out of your comfort zone but still excites you. So yeah, that was it. And as I've already told you, I'm designing a sustainable vineyard, which is an innovative blend of design, functionality, and experiential spaces. So I would love to share my journey with you all. So in the next episode, we're going to talk about research methods and how you can conduct an effective case study to bring out the most learning outcomes. So yeah, make sure to follow along the series and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more insights over architecture. So see you.